Good morning to all of you. My name is Prince Kumar and today I am present here to discuss about the key feature of C++. Today I am going to introduce basically inheritance. Before knowing the inheritance, we have to know about the class, because inheritance we totally use the concept of class. Class is a building block, that is a blueprint which has some properties and some characteristics that are used to derive by the another class, that can be called as a subclass or child class. Inheritance is the capability of a class to derive properties and characteristics from the another class is called inheritance. In inheritance, we use the properties and characteristics of one class that is known as superclass or parent class, or the class which inherit the property is known as subclass. Suppose here is a animal class, and animal class is here parent class or superclass, whose property can be inherited by these all classes like dog class, cat class and cow class. For example, if see the code, here is a animal class, it is also known as superclass, and its object is it. Its A1 function is it, that can be inherited in derived class, that is dog class. So dog class has its A1 function or A1 object as a bark class. So when by using the object we print the function it class that is inherited by animal class in the dog class. It has also its own function, that is bark class. So that's all I have for today. Thank you very much.